Welcome back, little explorers. Today, I want to tell you why it's so important to wash your hands. When we touch things, like toys or pets, we can get germs on our hands. Germs are tiny little bugs that we can't see, but they can make us sick. That's why we need to wash our hands with soap and warm water. Soap is like a superhero that fights against the germs and helps to wash them away. When we wash our hands, we need to make sure we scrub them for at least 20 seconds. We can sing our favorite song, like the ABC song or Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star, to count the seconds. First, we need to wet our hands with the warm water. Next, we put some soap on our hands and rub them together. Remember to rub everywhere, like the front and back of our hands, between our fingers, and even under our nails. Then, we rinse our hands with more warm water, making sure to wash away all the soap. Finally, we dry our hands with a clean towel or let them air dry. By washing our hands regularly, we can keep ourselves healthy and hopefully avoid getting sick. We should wash our hands before we eat, after we use the bathroom, and after playing outside. We should also wash our hands if they look dirty or after we sneeze or cough. Remember, my little friends, washing our hands is simple and important for keeping ourselves and others healthy. So let's be superheroes and always wash our hands every day. That was for today. See you next time.